Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Sophia and today's video is, I'm not sure what I want to call it, but it's just a simple, easy, soft, everyday glam. I just wanted to share this easy, fun look with you guys. If you love the look I have on already, please make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed or if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if that's all done, let's just get into this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did creating it. I think it's really simple, like you guys are gonna love it, so let's get into it. I'm gonna start by moisturizing. I'm gonna be using the Glam Glow Moisture Treat. It's a really good moisturizer. It's very thick. I've been loving it ever since I got it. Like, it just keeps my skin nice and moisturized all day. Next, I'm gonna move on to primer. I like to mix my primers up, so I'm gonna be using the XX Revolution Cloud Complexion Primer, and I'm also gonna go in with my Maybelline Blur and Smooth. Next up, I'm gonna quickly color correct. I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the Orange Corrector. After color correcting, I like to powder up. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I use the shade 40. And while I'm at it, I'm just gonna powder my brow. I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and this one's in Chocolate Mousse. I absolutely love this pencil. I think I've said that in a couple videos, but yeah, it's my current-ish. Okay, and I'm just gonna rush through this process because your girl already has a brow tutorial. I'm gonna link it here or here. Make sure to check it out. I will make sure to do an updated one. I think I've said that like so many times, but I will, I promise. I'm gonna quickly clean up my brows. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I like to go in with some clear brow gel. This is from ABH. For foundation today, I'll be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation in Cappucino. Next, I'm gonna highlight and contour. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 40, and I'll also mix it up with the Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is C10.5. I really love this concealer combination, by the way. I should mention, I don't know what it is about it, but it really works for me, especially for every day. The Revolution is a little bit too light and it's very thick actually, and then this one is more on the lighter, thinner side. Together, I like it. Okay, to set my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in Honey. Now to contour, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Tantour Cream Bronzer. I'm just going to quickly go in with my foundation brush. I'm just going to make sure everything is blended. I'm also just going to press that powder in. Now to set the cream bronzer, I'm going to be using my Morphe Phenom bronzer. This is more of an everyday or my everyday bronzer. I absolutely love it. I personally just like to go in with the bronzer, just take it right up in here, just into my inner corners here. But you gotta make sure to blend it out because sometimes I forget and I'm like, whoa. This just defines the eyes. And I feel like you could just put on lashes this way and call it a day. We're just gonna put a tiny bit of eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer, the Fawn Concealer. Apply a tad bit, oops, that's a lot. And the lid, just gonna smack that down, press it down. Just gonna use my little blending sponge here. It has a little bit of powder. I'm just gonna make sure the concealer is set and evenly distributed. Okay, now once that's done, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow. For today's look, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Chocolates, and I am gonna use this one right here. I'm just gonna tap that right onto my lid. Nothing crazy today. We're just gonna use one eyeshadow. I'm gonna tap that and I'm gonna blend it, and that's about it. And that's about it for the eyeshadow application. I'm just gonna put on some lashes. For today's look, I'll be using these lashes from Kiss Lashes, and this one is called Naked Drama, I believe. Very pretty. I'm gonna quickly put on some mascara. I like to go in first with the Tarte Opening Act for length and volume, and then I like to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Before I go on to blush and highlighter, I'm going to quickly spritz my face. I've been really loving the MAC Bronze Lit or Bronze Light Setting Spray, so that's what I'm going to be using today. My everyday staple-ish blush is the Maybelline Berry Blush. I just really love the color. I feel like it really just goes well with my skin tone, so yeah, this is one of my faves. Next up, highlighter. I'll be using my good old staple, my Maybelline, what's it called? My Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that just underneath my brow bone as per usual. And of course, I'm just gonna put a little bit of the highlighter just right into my tear duct area. I'm just gonna brighten it up a little. And lastly, we're gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place, wrong lipstick. I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place Cocoa lipstick. Show you guys what it looks like. I just feel like since I already have the brown on the eyes, which I'm really loving, we might as well just, you know, keep this a chocolatey soft glam, you know. So I'm gonna line my lips first. Okay, I'm gonna use this plum. This one's more of a plum, I believe. Yeah, it's a dark plum lip liner. It's called Date Night. It's one of the Morphe lip liners. I'm just gonna put on some lip primer before I go in with the lipstick, just so it lasts longer, because I do have a couple things to do, videos to shoot today. So I'm using this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just their lip primer. It's just clear and moisturizing, just a lip primer. And now let's go in with Cocoa. Yeah, I like that. And I'm just going to clean up the edges. I like to use my foundation, so I'm just going to use the NYX Born to Glow foundation. Okay guys, so we've come to the very end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice, easy, simple glam. I feel like you could do this under 15 minutes. Depending on how fast you are. Now for me, I like to take my time when it comes to doing my makeup, so I don't really time things. I just like to, you know, go with the flow. But I think this is nice, easy, quick, and simple. So I hope you guys really do enjoy it. And if you did enjoy this makeup tutorial or this look, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe and join the fam. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!